So here with this Dodge, we have a complaint of AC's not very cold and they don't get a lot of airflow through. So I've had it here running for about 4 minutes now. It's got a bunch of miles on it, 200,000 plus. And the temperature, yeah, I got fully on. That's about high as it can go. And yeah, I really can't. Okay, there's nothing coming out of this one. See that? Yeah, those don't shut off. Those are just angles. So yeah, the temperature's at like 69 degrees. So something odd. This back door is full of water. It's swishing around every time I open up the door. So they want the AC system vacuumed out and recharged, and I'm gonna throw some dye in there and look for leaks just in case. But first thing to check. Ooh, it's full. All right. Oh, that stuff's gonna dump out. No. All right. Let's check out this. Oh, it's a little bitty one. Let's check out this cabin air filter. Oh, that's full. Ah, this might not be terrible. We'll see. Oh my god. Solid brick. Shut that. Get that. Oh, there we go. Now we got airflow. Oh, there we go. That's definitely got airflow now. Yeah, even out that one over there. So we're gonna get them a cabin air filter. That'll fix the airflow issue. So the low pressure side is right back here. The high pressure side is right up front there. Alright, so we're replacing with the CAF 1886P. Comes with 2 filters. One is kind of floppy, one's a solid brick. Look at that. Yummy. So yeah, if you don't replace this, if you got restricted airflow, first thing you should automatically check, don't take it to a shop. Don't waste all that money. Don't let them charge you a diagnostics fee just to go in there and just change this. You could probably pick them up on Amazon for $5 or $10. This one was a little bit more expensive because I needed it today, but let's get this installed for them. And now you'll see right here it shows airflow up. So obviously you want to put it in with the airflow going up because the fan's underneath it blowing. So with the system all hooked up, I'm gonna go get the recovery machine. I already did a video on that. You can check it out. It's on a Subaru. It's a long process, and honestly, you could just take it to a shop and have it vacuumed out if you don't have the recovery machine itself. But essentially, it just takes it pulls a vacuum, sucks out all the Freon that's in there, puts it into a tank safely, and once it's all empty, then we can draw a vacuum out, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do all those steps. I know I'm skipping all that. It's not going to be a most interesting video, but just saying, I've already done this in 2 other videos, so this one's going to be just a really quick. It's not even going to be diagnosed. It held pressure the entire time it was plugged in, and I'll know more if I run a vacuum test and it leaks. Then I'm gonna throw some dye in there, and then we'll figure out where it's leaking at. But I don't think that's an issue. I didn't see any of the needles move one bit. I left for about a half an hour, so I think this system is fully sealed. I just think it's just not putting out ice cold air. We've definitely fixed the airflow issue. So yeah, we're still getting temperatures around 69 degrees. It says it's 88 here, which it says it's, so you'd want a 30 to 35 degree drop. So you'd want that around the 50 to 55. So we'll see how close we can get it. It's been running for 10 minutes. Everything's on high. Let's go ahead and recover it. Little tip, so when filling up the car, so this requires 1.12 pounds of R134A. So you just take your can and you'll measure it, and you already know there's 15 ounces, so it's going to take one full can when you refill it. Now you're going to want to weigh up your next can, which obviously this one's going to be full, but you're going to want to subtract this current weight and just keep it at a little bit in at a time, and only charge on the low side. So as you're charging on the low side, you'll go ahead and just keep measuring your can. Make sure you got the right stuff in there, the right amount in there, I should say. I already recharged it. I put the proper amount up in there. Now I'm just letting it run for 10 minutes, it says, to cycle everything through, and which it's already better. It's already down to 49 degrees. Yeah, 49. It's teetering at like 49 to 50, which is already a lot better. And I just started it up, so like I said, it takes 10 minutes to fully get the right temperature. But anyways, yeah, like I said, it's not hard. I mean, the equipment, I don't know, I guess it's kind of expensive if you're doing it just one time on one vehicle, but if you plan on using it over and over and over again, and maybe at some point you get enough practice, you can start, you know, making money off of other people too. I mean, that's also great. But yeah, if you're gonna pay $600 for a recovery machine, there's $150 for a tank, those little, I'll put the gauges and everything. I'll put everything I used in the description. But yeah, like I said, it gets up there. So, you know, honestly though, even without the recovery machine, there are other ways to take out the Freon. You could just hook up the high and low side of the gauges and hook it directly to a tank, and let the high side pump the Freon out of the car into the tank. That's one way to do it. That'll save you $600 right there. And then you just vacuum the rest out, I guess. But I don't know how efficient that is. I do it that way because it's supposedly the right way to do it. I see other videos where people are just popping it open and just let it vent, which I don't ever suggest that. So keep it safe. Stuff's really bad for the environment. Anyways, that's my whole spiel. Here's where I close out the video. Sorry it wasn't as exciting. Like I said, I've just done it so many times, I didn't bother filming it, so I can get this done as fast as possible. And if you're curious about the procedure, it's the same exact procedure as the other cars. Just recover, vacuum. If it holds a vacuum, add the proper amount of Freon, and you should be good to go. And if not, then you got, you know, problems from there. But as far as that, usually a pretty smooth job, and huge results on this one, which was great. So this is a 2010. Just for laughs, I went into my car, which is a 2022, and checked the temperatures. I was sitting at about 46 degrees, and this was at 49. So this 2010 was right up to par with that 2022. So hope this video helps. If you know you got restricted airflow, check the cabin air filter, save yourself some money. And if not, it's time to, you know, tune up that AC system. But as usual, got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them at the bottom of your screen. I will definitely leave all the tools used in the description. And yeah, feel free to check out my other two channels, Anything Auto Reviews and Anything Auto Travels. See you next time.